Have you ever wondered about bird nests? Let's dive into their evolution. Bird nests showcase an incredible journey. They start simple and become complex. Initially, nests were just ground scrapes. Birds later added twigs and leaves. As time passed, builders emerged with unique structures. Think of the weaver bird's intricate design. Different birds adapt their nests to various environments. Swallows use mud, while eagles prefer high cliffs. This adaptation aids survival, protecting eggs and young birds. Each nest tells a story about the bird's needs. From simple to stunning, nests reveal nature's creativity. Next time you see a nest, see my nest, appreciate its evolution. Explore more about bird behavior for thrilling insights.